Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the line charts. So these are pretty simple. They basically just display change over time, and you can use it to compare these changes. And you can also find the slope if you need it. So yeah, let's get started. Here we have our data, and if you want to create like a regular chart, the easiest thing to do is just go over here. Let me move this over here. You want to go to Insert, and right here in this middle column, you'll find all your charts. And you can just click on this one and it'll generate a chart once you highlight your data. But since we have different sets of data, we're going to do something a bit different. So on different days of the week, people were randomly asked how many minutes they spent waiting in line for a roller coaster. Create a line chart depicting the average amount of time spent waiting during the morning and the afternoon. So here we have our values. On Monday, that's 3, on Wednesday, that's 4, and on Friday, that's 5. So what we're going to do is create different columns for each of these days. So we're going to have a Monday column, Wednesday column, and a Friday column. And then we're going to have a second column for the morning and the evening, or the afternoon. So under here, now you have to look for what the question is asking you, and here it's asking for the average amount. So we're going to use the average function, which you just type in equals average, and that'll pop up, and then you can just press tab, and then you can just highlight the data. So this is Monday 3. So Monday in the morning, you're going to highlight all this, and then press enter, and that'll give you your average. So I'm going to add all these together, and we'll come back to it. Okay, due to the power of editing, this is now all the averages are calculated. So now what we can do is just highlight everything and then go up to the charts, and we can pull up the best one. So what you want to see is look for a chart that shows all the data, because right now it's only showing 2 of them. So this is probably the best one. Yeah, this is probably the best one because it's showing all 3 lines. So now we have our chart. So we can add the titles for the axis, and then we can add the legend's already there, so we should be good. So now we can just title it something like time spent waiting in line. And then we can put right here for this one, we can put time of day. And this one, right here, we can put time, and that can be minutes. And there you have it. We just created a line chart. So yeah, mostly people struggle with simply just calculating the averages. But once you have this table down, then it's just really easy to create the line chart. So just remember the title, make sure everything's titled, make sure you have your legend, and make sure you can look at the data. So from here, you can see everything, and you should be good.